Hey guys, and today we're going to be making a fruit eating game in Scratch. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to delete this cat sprite, and we're going to go choose a sprite. I'm going to choose for my eating sprite, let's say, let's say, what's something fruit eating? I guess I could do Dot. Alright, now what I'm going to do is make it so that Dot can move around. So first I'm going to point towards mouse pointer, go to move 10 steps, forever, and yeah, move your fat click. Now Dot can move around. Alright, now what we just need is something for Dot to eat. So I'm going to go in here and I'm going to choose apple. Then I'm going to go with the costumes. And I'm going to choose, go to food. Choose banana. Then I'm going to choose orange, strawberry, and watermelon. Oh, wrong strawberry. And watermelon. Okay, let me just double check if they don't have any more fruit. Alright, they don't. So now I'm gonna go back. And let's code this. So, what I'm going to do is put when green flag clicked forever, if then, and I'm going to go to Sensei and put touching Dot. I'm going to hide it and then show it. But what I'm going to do first is I want to add a sound effect. So what we have here is chomp. Alright, so I'm going to choose chomp to play before it shows again. Now if we do that, he's eating the fruit. But our problem is the fruit isn't changing and it's not moving around. So what we're going to do for that is I'm going to go to looks. I'm going to switch costume to, I'm going to put this right here, and then I'm going to put pick random 1 to 5. So now it changes it. And we can eat different fruit, but it's not moving around still. So we go to motions for that, and just drag out a go to random position. So that's how you make a fruit eating game in Scratch. Bye! Hey guys, and today we're going to be making a sort of like a eating game. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to delete this cat sprite. Then I'm going to go to choose a sprite, and I'm going to choose for my character a bowl. Now,
why are you boiled so loud? It's like having giants in the house. Well, a megaphone. Can you